Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. As you guys may have known, we're legend when it comes to trading. You can see this account here, that is a $2 account. You can see, and this is where we placed our buy position, and definitely we are going to place more positions there because currently our leverage is at 13. So we are going to place one more position here. Okay, we just placed another position there. So if you're watching this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment in the comment section below. This trade is for educational purpose, and it's showing you how to make massive amount of money with just few trades. You can make massive amount of money with just few trades. Okay, so we're entering another position here. Enter another position there again. Okay, I think it does not want to enter because of the leverage since we've not closed our profit. So you can see this on the 1 hour. So the 1 hour is definitely going to run up to this position here. This 1 hour is going to run up to this position here. So we're going to leave it because, as you can see, this is a ranging market for 1 hour, and so that is how it's going to do. Okay, so make sure you like, subscribe, and comment in the comment section. You can see it's still dangling here. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe in the comment section. So I'll show you the ending part of this video and how much we've made so far. You can see this is a $2 account. So I'll show you the ending part of this video. So stay tuned and don't skip any part of this video. So you can see how the account is running currently. Is at $18 now. You can see for yourself how the account is running currently. So I'll still give you more tips on an update on how the account ran, so you can see for yourself. We are rising from $2. I'll show you the ending part. Okay, this is a live trade. You can see the time, and this is a live trade. You can see for yourself. Recording live because we are here to hit maximum profit. So you can see, just like what I told you, is approaching towards that point. Okay, so we are not going to close that trade yet. I'm not going to close that trade yet because we want to hit our target first before we close. Okay, you can see for yourself, because we want to hit our target before we close. So definitely we are not closing anytime soon. This is one of the best trading video you see out there. So make sure you share it to your friends, make sure you share it to your loved ones. From $2 to $24 now. You can see the leverage, you can see the equity is moving, which is so massive for you. So why not come and let us make your account, a little account that you have, to be this massive. And if you have a massive account, we'll even make it more massive. Okay, it's very simple. It's just a simple trick, knowing how the market trend at a particular point in time and knowing what to place. It will help you and give you massive profit. That is it. So let us keep watching and see the ending part of the video. So I'm gonna pause now and then I'll show you what really happened at the ending.